Tesla and Elon Musk have been making rounds on the news for their cryptocurrency antics. But they have something up their sleeve that the likes of Toyota, Ford, Honda, and so many others don't. Tesla's Ace is a technological marvel that not only allows them to keep the cost low, but also allows for a quicker and better manufacturing process. So what exactly does a 17-year-old company have that centuries-old manufacturers don't? Keep watching to know more, and a subscribe to the channel would be fantastic. When Elon claimed Tesla would be at the forefront of electric vehicles, he meant business. Tesla is the king of EVs globally, and despite bringing no design changes, their Model S is the best-selling EV of the century. You might be thinking, how did Tesla pull this off? Where other manufacturers have to dish out tons of design changes and improvements over the years just to stay relevant, Tesla has basically been sending out the same shape since 2012. The answer is that Tesla pulls it off by not selling you the car, but the experience. Tesla's cars are maintenance-free, and the only thing that you have to keep an eye on is the windscreen fluid. The tires can last up to 75,000 miles, and with practically no maintenance. These things can go forever, but this is not the secret weapon that can propel Tesla into the future. Rather, Model S just paved the way for greatness. Enter the Gigapress, a state-of-the-art manufacturing tool that can crush any adversary before they can think about Tesla. But before we can understand the how and the why for the Gigapress, let's look at the when first. Let's rewind time a bit back to 2018, when the world was living peacefully, only for Elon to table another of his out-of-the-world ideas. He wanted to gain the efficiency that toy manufacturing companies have when his Model Y and Model 3 were facing manufacturing shortages, and he, of all people, had to switch to a manual labor method. Imagine the king of automation resorting to human power to make his vehicles. Surely he couldn't accept that. So Tesla turned to IDRA, an Italian giant that has been manufacturing die casting and equipment manufacturing businesses for more than 70 years. Tesla not only wanted any die casting machine, they wanted the absolute best that the world has never seen before. IDRA set to work on Tesla's idea and manufactured the killer weapon that all car manufacturers revere, the Gigapress. This huge series of machines weighing over 400 tons each can clamp aluminium and other metals together with a whopping 50,000 to 60,000 kilonewtons of force. This allows Tesla to manufacture intricate parts of the chassis in an efficient and simple manner. The Gigapress is a force to be reckoned with and can dish out as many as 1,000 castings per day. Too much to take in? Hit on that bell icon and relax as we explain what the Tesla Gigapress brings to the table. Car assembly is an intricate process and requires the most labor hours. Not to mention that most of the cost of each car goes into the chassis, or what most people know as its frame. The Gigapress allows Tesla to replace the labor and cost-intensive 70 different pieces of metal into one single piece that reduces the cost as much as 40%. Now, if the manufacturer were to keep the prices the same, that would mean Tesla would be making a ton of profits by this tweak in the manufacturing process thanks to the Gigapress. Not only does it save direct costs, the Gigapress also saves 30% of the body shop area requirements as the chassis is now one unit, and because of the work being done in the press, labor costs also go down by 20%. All the numbers can be confusing, so let us lay things down for you. The reduced costs and space requirements mean that Tesla is saving billions in costs thanks to single-piece casting made possible by the Gigapress. Also, the troublesome alignment problems because of the tiny parts lining up together to make the bigger piece, they're gone. And the high-quality shell is cut, cast, and made to perfection. So the Gigapress is saving costs, increasing profits, reducing the chances of error, and also saving on factory space requirements. Sounds amazing, right? There is one other thing that the Gigapress is doing that Tesla perhaps did not anticipate. The Gigapress is giving vehicle manufacturers a run for their money, as with such astronomical cost savings and profits, Tesla can be the market price setter, and the other manufacturers won't be able to match the price. Tesla can actually create a monopoly in today's world by the innovative manufacturing process. Other manufacturers may jump onto the Gigapress bandwagon, but it looks highly unlikely in the near future. This is because setting up plants and tweaking the manufacturing process is extremely cost-intensive and requires changes to the whole lineup of vehicles. Manufacturers like Toyota, who have factories all over the world and hundreds of different models, will require hundreds of different configurations and billions of dollars worth of investment. It is safe to say Tesla is clear of their competition and will not be seeing any stiff competition anytime soon. The Tesla Roadster and the Tesla Cybertruck are also featuring the same chassis, which will be made on an even stronger 8,000 tons Gigapress, as tweeted by Elon Musk. The Gigapress brings an innovative and economic edge to Tesla that can tip the scales in their favor. Plus, it also puts the other manufacturers in a very precarious position. Tesla can go clear of other manufacturers with their lower costs, higher quality, and superior manufacturing process. They already have the upper hand in the EV market, and the Gigapress can press their competition aside, allowing Tesla to become the true king of the future automotive industry. What are your thoughts on it? Would this Gigapress kill the competition? Let us know in the comments section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, guys.